Good morning, grade 8. How are you? So, today we will do exercise 1, page number 119 from your reading book, lesson number 8. See the lesson number 8, page number 119. Okay, exercise 1. Okay, and with the help of this venir verb, we will do this exercise. Okay, so you have to add pronoun. Okay, see the formula of this verb. This one. Venir verb present form. Okay, firstly you have to add this pronoun like je, tu, il, el, for example je. Then venir verb present form, this one, this is the pronoun, this is, and in the verb with the, via the, this one. Okay, then which verb is given? Infinitive of the given verb. Okay, like visite is there, visite will come. Same like for example tu pronoun is there, then venir verb, or then infinitive of the verb. Okay, and the meaning of this one is like which work you have done just. Okay, like see the example, je viens de visiter. I have just visited. Write any country, France, Japan, any country. Okay, so like this we will do all these exercise 1. Okay, so see this exercise. Okay, okay, so we have to change in passé recent. Okay, this exercise is based on the passé recent. Okay, see the first one, il va en Japon. Okay, this is the question, like he goes to Japan. Okay, this is the question, but when we change in the passé recent, il vient de aller au Japon. Okay, il is your pronoun, vient de aller is, this is a venir verb, via the, and aller is a verb. This one is a verb, this one is va is a conjugation of the aller verb, this is the infinitive of the verb, and au Japon is the name of, same word will come, name of country. Okay, like he just went to Japan. Okay, in this we will use second form of the verb. Okay, like go, went will come. Okay, like he goes to Japan. Okay, so then when we change in the passé recent, we will change this verb in second form, like he just went to Japan. Okay, like see the second one, nous finissons l'exercice à temps. Okay, when we change in this, okay, so nous venons de finir l'exercice de temps. Finir is a infinitive of the verb, and venons is the conjugation of the verb with nous. Okay, you can see the page number 118 side by side. Okay, then this venir is given. Okay, so the meaning of this complete word is we just finished the work. Okay, we just finished the work. Okay, the second form will come. C part, nous travaillons dans un compagnie aérienne. Okay, this word meaning is like airlines. Okay, okay, so vous venez de travail is a to work. Okay, this one. Okay, you just worked in an airlines. Okay, vous venez de travailler dans une compagnie, like it is saying vous travaillez dans une compagnie, you work in a airlines. When you apply in passé recent, yes, vous venez. Okay, then answer will come, vous venez de travailler dans une compagnie aérienne, when we ask the question passé recent. Okay, You just worked in an airline. D part. Le coiffeur arrête le taxi. Okay. Like the driver stop the taxi. Okay. When we change in the passé recent, the driver just stopped the taxi. Okay. Via the use for just like second form, then ret is here the stop, first form when we change stopped. Okay, right. Then e part la l'homme indien habite en France. Okay, when we change in the passé recent, like Indian man live in France. Okay, when we change in, then Indian man has just lived in France. This one. Elle prend la bus pour aller à l'école. Okay, she take the bus go to school. Aller à l'école, for go to school. Okay, then when we change, elle vient de prendre la bus pour aller à l'école. Okay, she just took the bus go to school, for go to school. C part. Nous sentons les fleurs. Sento is a sentir verb. We have done here. Okay. So this is a pronoun. There will be no change. Okay. This is the nous. When we see the nous in verb, nous venons de sentir les fleurs. Okay. Nous sentons les fleurs. This one, we smell the flower. Okay. Nous venons de sentir les fleurs. We just smell the flower. H part. Elle parle poliment en garçon. Okay, she speak politely to the boys. Okay, when we change, elle vient de parler poliment en garçon. We just spoke politely to the boys. Okay. Les amis de Sophia comprennent le leçon. Okay, comprendre la lesson is to understand the chapter lesson. So Sophie friends understand the lesson. Okay, and when we change in passé recent, the Sophie friends have just understood the lesson. Okay, after that your elle range le salon. Salon is your living room. Okay, elle vient de ranger le salon. Okay, she arrange the salon living room, or to set the, or to clean the living room. And then here is elle vient d'arranger le salon. Okay, she just clean up the living room, and she just arrange the living room to set the everything. Okay, so this is your exercise. Again I'm saying, firstly you have to learn this verb. Okay, this formula. If you know this venir verb, then you can conjugate the passé recent. Okay, like this visited verb is given, this will be same, there will be no change. In the exercises also we have done, there is no change. Like here is a, we have to learn, like this is the from again we have to see, we have to learn this, like this. Why is a ale verb. Okay, you have to learn finito is a finir verb, like this. All verbs are given in back. You can see travailler is this one. Okay, arete is this one. er will come here. So okay, the arete er will come, ter will come. Okay, here. Okay, and this one is same habite verb. Okay, and this is prendre. this is the infinitive of this verb, this is same infinitive of this verb, parler is infinitive of this verb, and comprendre, this is the infinitive of this verb, range is, this is the infinitive. Infinitive means name of the verb. Okay, this is the conjugation given in between. And when we change in the passé recent after venir conjugation, we infinitive like name of the verb will come as it is, like this here, il va au Japon, il vient d'aller, this is aller verb, same as it is will come, there will be no change. Okay, so like this you have to do the practice of this exercise, then you can do the exercise and your exam will be offline. Okay, so next time no MCQs will come, so please do the practice more and more. Okay, thank you, take care everyone.